Every week, someone asks me, Vinay, should I run Meta ads or Google ads? Another person asks, should I focus on Instagram or LinkedIn? Someone else says, SEO is dead. Then another person says, email marketing is dead. And someone always say, cold calling doesn't work anymore. Here is my answer. Everything works. Google works, Meta works, Instagram work, LinkedIn work, email marketing works, always work. WhatsApp work, webinar work, cold calling works. क्या काम नहीं करता है? इनफैक्ट ये सब करने के बाद में रेफरल वर्क्स, SEO works, content works, event works. The real question is not does it work? The real question is why isn't it working for you? Because marketing doesn't fail. Businesses fail to understand marketing. Today I am going to explain why. Hi, I am Vinay Lakhotia, founder of LDOS, Lead to Deal Operating System. Welcome. After working with 37 business owners across industries, I have noticed a pattern. Whenever sales drop, businesses immediately blame the platform. Facebook doesn't work. Google is expensive. Instagram gives poor quality leads. No one reads my email. But here's what I asked them. Did the platform stop working or did your strategy stop working? Marketing channels are just tools. Tools don't create results. System do. Let me share you the biggest marketing myth. Imagine two carpenters. Give both of them the same hammer. One build beautiful furniture, the another bends nails, damage the wood. After an hour, the second carpenter throw the hammers away and says, "This hammer is useless." Was the hammer the problem? Of course not. The skill was. Marketing exactly the same. Meta, Google, LinkedIn, AI, it's all just hammer. If you don't understand the science behind marketing, every platform will eventually disappoint you. There is no doubt in that. Let me share you the principle of LDOS, Lead to Deal Operating System. At Lead to Deal Operating System, LDOS, we teach one simple principle. Marketing is mathematics, not magic. Most business owners think marketing is about creating attractive ads. It's not. Marketing starts long before the advertisements. It starts with understanding who is your customer. What problems are they trying to solve? Why should they trust you? Why should they buy from you instead of someone else? Why should they buy today? If you don't have answers to these questions, no platform can save you. Most people think marketing look like this: run ads, get leads, make sales. Absolutely wrong. LDOS equation is right market, right customers, right problem, right positioning, right message, right offer, right platform, right follow up, then sales. Notice something, the platform is almost at the end. But where do most businesses start? The platform. They ask, should I use Facebook? No. First ask, do I know exactly who is my IRP, ideal revenue persona? Let me give you a real example. Let's imagine two marble companies, both sell premium imported marble. Company A creates a Facebook and ad saying best quality Italian marble. Company B creates a campaign saying choosing the wrong marble can cost you lakhs in replacements, delays and client dissatisfaction. Here's our 7-step selection process that architects trust. Which company earns trust? Which company get better inquiries? Which company can create a premium? The difference is not the product, it's the message. After the message comes from understanding the customer, not from the advertising platform. Let me give you the 5 questions every business must answer. Before you spend another rupee on marketing, answer these 5 questions. Who is my ideal customer? What problems keep them awake at night? Who are they not buying today? Why should they trust me? Why is my solution different? If you cannot answer these, stop changing platforms. Change your thinking. So write it down. I am giving you an assignment. Take a blank sheet of paper. Write down every marketing activity your business is doing today. Google ad, Meta ad, Instagram, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, email, SEO, referrals. Now instead of asking, is this working? Ask what system is missing that would make this work better. That one question will transform the way you market your business. Remember this, marketing is like electricity. Electricity can power a hospital, it can also cause a fire. The electricity is not good or bad, it depends on how you use it. Marketing is like the same. Google is not bad, Facebook is not bad, AI is not a magic. Everything works when you understand the science behind it. At LDOS, we don't teach platforms, we teach principles because platform change, principles don't. If you want to build a business with predictable lead generation instead of random marketing experiments, subscribe to my channel LDOS Business University. In the next episode, we will break down the business formula that actually sells, the framework that separates businesses that constantly chase customers from businesses that customers actively seek out. Bye.